Before you can start working on a Vtuber model, you must make sure the art is ready to be rigged. Any program can be used to make art as long as the final product can be saved as either a PSD file or a Krita file. We'll be working with a PSD when all of this is done. But first and foremost, let's check the model. For art preparation, I usually follow 4 simple rules. Rule number 1, cut and fill. To be able to animate your model, you must cut the parts you want to animate into separate pieces, each with their own layer. Also, make sure to fill in the art underneath so that when the parts above it move, there are no gaps. Rule number 2, label left and right. Clearly label the parts that are on the left side of the model and the right side of the model. Just a reminder, while you are facing your screen, your left is the model's right. Rule number 3, remove folders. Inochi Creator may give you an error if you have folders in your PSD file. Delete all those folders to avoid this. Last but not least is rule number 4, group matching parts. Now, this rule is optional, however, following it saves time and makes the setup process in Inochi Creator a bit easier. Here's how it goes. If your art has matching parts that are also labeled left and right, it is in your best interest to group all the parts labeled left together and all the parts labeled right together while maintaining the same order. Once you're done checking your model, export your work, and I will see you in the next video.